What's the meaning of crepe paper? Crepe paper. Crepe paper.
Crepe paper. Crepe paper. Crepe paper is a lightweight, decorative paper with a crinkled or rippled texture. It is typically used for various arts and crafts projects, such as making paper flowers, decorations, or costumes. The paper can be easily manipulated and folded to create various shapes and designs. When used to make flowers or decorations, crepe paper adds a delicate and intricate touch to the final product. Its thin and pliable nature makes it easy to layer and create depth, resulting in a beautiful finished piece. Overall, crepe paper is a versatile and popular choice for crafters and artists alike.